Hello and welcome to the Airbus Group We Make It Fly campaign. My name's Peter Chandler and I'm the Chief Test Pilot at Airbus, and I'm flying the A350 in the flying display here at Farnborough. Flight display starts with a full power takeoff and a steep climb out and turn away. And then I come back in front of the crowd and do a 360 turn, and then followed by a very low speed fly past. We're just about coming to the end of the flight test campaign for the A350. We have 5 aeroplanes flying at the moment, and the one that I'm flying here at Farnborough is the number 4 aeroplane. It is a test aeroplane. The 350 is a real state-of-the-art airplane. It's made largely of carbon fibre, so it's a very lightweight structure, and the engines, the Rolls-Royce Trent xwbs, are the most efficient engines around at the moment. And also the part that I've worked on a lot, the cockpit, is a very user-friendly, lots of improvements, lots of new technology. We started the flight test campaign last June with the first flight on June the 14th, and we should be ending it with the certification of the airplane in September this year. We put the gear down and do one fly past with the gear down, and then turn around for the final landing.
50, 40, 30, 20, retard.
So I hope you've enjoyed flying with us, and wish you good luck.